a little bit of that oil, just like you do an oil change. Just kind of just lubing it so it makes it a little bit of a decent seal anyway. I don't know if you guys probably, wondering if I'm taking a long time or what, but I don't really have to work by any kind of time or whatever. I work for myself, and I do all these guys' maintenance. Every time they need something, they always call me. So I don't hurry myself with them. I'm not getting paid by the hour from them or anything. So it's a bid deal, and that's that. I don't need to. I enjoy coming out here and making videos for y'all. So if I'm taking a long time, that's okay, because I like to be thorough in what I do. So it makes for happy customers. Anyway, so for the most part, that's that. He won't have any issues with that seal in there. Everything will be just peachy for him. So that's all good there. And we got what you want on them U-joints is for that grease to come bulging out the side there, and it pushes all the water and moisture and shit out there, whatever can corrode the U-joint. So anyway, I'll throw a torque wrench on those and we'll call her done. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that little bit of a video. I know I probably don't do it like everybody else does, but or even the way it should be done, but everybody's happy and nothing gets broke. Anyway, that's what you get when you want that grease to come out of there, all four corners. Is that where you're pushing that grease out of there? And at a glance, you can come down here and look at that. If you ever question about that thing backing off, you can just look at that line any given time and see, if it's even moved or backed out of there or what have you. It's worked for me, and there's been a few times where they will back out, and you got to put some Loctite in them or, what have you. But I've never had one, be an issue, other than normal shit. But we're gonna get him some fluid here. Let me get situated, and I'll get you back on. Here is check his rear end, make sure it's not low or what. She comes out of here. She's full. If she don't, well, we'll put some in it. Looks like she's a little bit low. Figured out why in the hell they can't make this a little bit easier to get into, especially when you're up underneath the truck. Whatever. little too big on there. It's coming out everywhere on me and everything, so I'll try that again. That's much better. All you're really after is just when it starts pouring out of there. Typically means you got enough. Have to, I guess we'll get another one. Yeah, I'd say she's pretty low. Not well. I have to go get. I think these, when they're plumb empty, I think they'll hold 3 gallons or so of that fluid. All you really want to look for is that shit to come out of that hole there. So you didn't have any in there hardly. That's about a gallon I put in there. Looks like we're getting full there. See if that fluid coming out there like that? That means we're pretty well full. But anyway, that's what you want to look for. It's just that fluid to come out like that. That pretty much tells you that you're full. You need a whole no more. It's just about impossible to keep filling it, so. crank her down real good, clean it up, and that's the way she goes. That's about all I'm going to do right there. Doesn't seem like it's the right one. That is that. She's full. I lost it. I can't find it. And now I can't reach it. Here we go. Anyway. We cleaned it up anyway, so there it was. Anyway, that's that. So I think we're fairly good on the repair. I got filled up with oil. So we'll just get the tools put away and we'll call it a night for that part. So anyway. Just one hand. Not pleasant at all. I've got a little bag here that I put all my tools in whenever I go away from the truck. That way I can, or at least I got them all together, so to speak. Really no method to my drawer here. I just kind of put shit where I can go. Like I said, I'm not on any kind of flat rate or anything like that. I kind of memorize where I have everything, and that's it. Nobody else gets in this thing but me, so I don't have to, worry about what politics, some of these other toolbox or whatever. I'm the only one getting in here, so. All I do for my screwdrivers is the flatheads go to me and the Phillips head go to the truck. So that's how I you just kind of search around for your whatever size you think you might want or whatever. But I don't have any method to it. It's just whatever works, I guess. You only got so much room and you got to carry it on a truck, and I got a fairly large truck, and he's still running out of freaking room, so. I don't think you can ever have enough room. But anyway. This is my collect all and carry all, pretty much whatever I got. My little grease thing that I put, or just just odds and ends, brass pieces, fittings. All the time need those. Pressure washer type stuff. That's just kind of my collect all. And then here's where I kept all my chemicals. Just a big Dora, whatever. And over here I got my brake pods and power washer and all that crap. So, I won't show all of it to you, just some of it to you. That's where I keep all my crowbars and jacks and my 1-inch impact and just anything that could beat the pit. Anyway. Alright, fellas, well, that's that. I'm going to leave it at that, and we'll holler at you next time. And when it comes back. Say hi, Nacho. Say hi, Nacho. Say hi, Nacho. Say hi. He's ready to go home and eat something. Anyway, see y'all later.